Hello, sir. Welcome to our event, Umang, which is named as Umang 2021, which is organized by Mechanical Department. Firstly, I am thanking to all to giving me opportunity to present my product in front of you by using marketing skills and my presentation skills. Now I am welcome you to all in my stall, which is named as a Shiv Baba Cooler Services and handmade chocolates. Firstly, I telling you why I selected these services. In my native area, there was no any cooler service provider, and people are prefer to use coolers for their family function, occasions, gatherings, and birthday party, etc. Instead of fan. And main reason behind that is day by day increase in temperature in summer season. That's why I selected this topic. I expressed this thought in front of my family. Then my father gave me permission easily to go through that. Then I make a plan for the buying coolers, and then I buy 4 Techno King coolers, which is initially range of 10 to 20 feet. I invested 80,000 rupees in these services. Then I started marketing of my product. Then I made pamphlets and hoardings for advertisement. Then I told my friends and my relatives to publish or make publicity of my product. After publicitating my product, the great thing is that I started getting orders in 3 to 4 days. You can see one Techno King cooler in my left side. Before starting the cooler, we have to fill the tank which is provided in downside of the cooler, and we have to fill this tank with the help of water. There are one hole is provided for fill the tank, and by using the water we can fill the tank. After filling the tank, there are certain limit provided for filling tank. And after filling we can start our cooler. Here is the stainless steel grill also provided for avoiding any accidents. This is made for children's particularly. This main specification of the cooler is that it is a plastic in material, so that we can move it easily anywhere. There are wheels are provided in downside of the cooler, so we can move it easily. And the main specification, we can say it is work 10 times more efficient than fans, so we can save electricity also by using the cooler. Last month we got 4 to 3 orders of our services where we provide our cooling services. You can see on the screen some pictures of functions where we provide our services. Normally other cooler service provider charges 1500 rupees per cooler for one day, and we charges only 1200 rupees for one day of cooler services. So you can get 24% discount for these services. So now if you want to book services, you can contact us freely by using our number which is displayed on the screen. Due to coronavirus, we are providing services in our nearby area. If you want to book, you have to firstly call us and tell your all details like location, your mobile number, your name, and your exact location. If you want any transport facility from us, we are charges additionally according to the traveling distance. Apart from these cooler services, I also like to introduce my another product, which is handmade chocolates. You can see in the basket, here is some chocolates which is made by us. I also start this product at our home. We make a product in our home by using our hands. We followed all COVID-19 norms, so it's safe to order. If you want, we take only limited orders. So if you want to book chocolates, you can order us by using the number which is provided on screen. Our specialty is that here is no any chemical preservation, and we use modern technique to make chocolates. You can see here is one different types of molds we are using. Here is a crystal mold we are using. There are so many molds for a Christmas. Here is a Christmas molds which is mostly preferred by children. You can see I made some chocolates. You can see Christmas snow chocolates is, you can see if it's visible. I made it at last night. We use different packaging method. For packaging, we use this for our packaging chocolates, and here is we use different shapes of different colors of papers for packaging. And our main specialty is that we gave 45% discount to our handmade chocolates. We provide you white chocolates, dark chocolates, and dry fruit chocolate also. You can see a white chocolate here, and also we make dark chocolates and dry fruit chocolates according to order. We take only limited order, so if you want to book your order, so you can contact us freely.